Hello everyone, this video is gonna be a quick review and setup of this new Intex ZX100 pressure side above ground pool vacuum. So this thing comes with a 21-foot tangle-free hose. It have a removable washable filter that is already installed. This thing moves a lot of water. So basically this thing can move up to 700 gallon per hour water, but it's gonna need at least 2100 GPH of filter. So if you have a smaller filter, it may not work for you. It comes with all this attachments right here and this fitting. So this vacuum is going to make your pool cleaning convenient. It's gonna be automatic cleaning every time your filter's running. As long as you have this thing attached, you are cleaning your pool. And what's good about this is it moves a lot of water, so as you are vacuuming your pool, it's also pushing some water out. You're going to get your pool a lot cleaner compared to just having the filter running. A lot of people gets confused about this vacuum. A lot of reviews saying that this doesn't even move. That's because this particular vacuum requires a minimum of 2100 GPH up to 3500 gallon GPH pump. So if you have a smaller pump, this is not gonna work for you. Another thing that most people get confused is because this is a vacuum, some people thinks that this connects to the suction port that goes to the filter. That is wrong. This thing actually connects to the water that's going back into your pool. That is how this thing runs. So as the water is getting pushed out here, it creates a suction inside this that pulls all the debris from the bottom. So if you look down here, you can easily remove this by moving this lever. And right here is your tray. So the vacuum will open this up and collects the dirt and close it, and all the dirt gets trapped inside this. So to clean this up, all you need to do is open this, okay, and just wash this thing, okay, and then you just wanna put it back after, okay. So these are the motor that pushes the vacuum, and to put this thing back, all you need to do is just align it right here and close it. It also comes with this little brush ports. Install this right here so that it can collect more dirt. Okay, so these are all the other attachments that goes into your hose. So you just want to attach your hose here and fix it up, okay? Okay, so I just wanted to show this to you. So this is the pressure inlet connector, and if you look here, you have a button right here. So if this thing can be pushed in or out, okay, so in or out. And if you look here, I'm not sure if the camera can see that because it's inside. This thing actually have a little valve right here. It's kind of like a diaphragm that you can push in, okay. So the function of this is to regulate the pressure for your filters. If this thing doesn't have this valve, what's gonna happen is your filter will only push 700 gallon per hour of water through here. That's gonna be limiting your filter a lot. Imagine from 2000 gallon per hour to 700 gallon per hour. So because this is all this thing needs to move around, so most of the water will go through here to the vacuum, and some of the water that it doesn't need, it's gonna come out through here from this valve inside, okay. In here you can put your filter screen, and then you can also close it with this if needed. And let's say this is your pressure side outlet, you just want to remove this cover, okay, and filter and put this thing in right here, okay. So you can do it this way, or you can actually remove this and put it directly right here. So that really depends on your setup, okay. So if you have the bigger size, let me get the other one. If you have this outlet right here that is big, this is the old one from my old pool, this is the new one from this pool. you can actually open this thing, and if you notice, inside this have a smaller ring. So this is where you're going to connect this. So with this one here, since this thing have this special port for the bubbles, this thing is not going to fit. So what I'll do is I'll just connect it directly here. So if you look here, the screen filter is actually designed to fit this. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put this thing in. And then this is where you put the hose in. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this thing into the pool. Okay, so before we actually put it in the pool, we wanted to install this first. For this one, you just want to fit it right here into the hose. Just gonna go ahead and do it this way. And just push it in. Snap in. Okay, and then just do it on the other side. And then to install this into the hose, just want to screw it in. Okay, so usually when you screw, you do clockwise, but for this one right here, you want to do it counterclockwise right here. See? And now it's all the way in and it's tight. For this side right here, you get the other one and do it again counterclockwise. Okay, so we just have to put this thing in and twist it. Now you're good to go. And what we need to do now is throw this into the pool. By the way, this pool is 26 feet by 12 feet by 52 inches. I hope that you found this video helpful to you. Please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.